Okay, to do this question, we're told that Agatha and Bryn each bought some pens, and every pen that Agatha bought cost £2.20, and each pen that Bryn bought cost £1.40. Altogether, the cost of the pens comes to £13. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to write down A for Agatha there, and then for one pen, I know she would have spent £2.20. For 2 pens, it would have been £4.40. For 3 pens, £6.60, and so on. And £8.80. And then for 5 pens, it would have actually been £11. Careful with that. You can use a calculator if you want to, or this is actually calculator paper. And then for 6 pens, now this is actually going to come to £13.20, which I know is impossible because we're told they spent a maximum of 13. I'm now going to do the same for Bryn and start writing out, but this time £1.40. So £1.40, £2.80, and then £4.20, £5.60. That's now going to be £7, I believe. Then £8.40, and then £9.80, and then it's going to be £11.20, and then it's going to be £12.60, and then clearly the next one is going to be too much because it's going to go over the £13. So what I'm looking for now are 2 sets of numbers that are going to add up to a number bond, because it becomes £13 exactly. So the 20, I'm looking for something to end up with an 80 there. So looking at the ones that quite obviously have got potential to make 13, the 220 there, and then the 980, I could have chosen the 220 there, but that's obviously not going to make 13 quid, is it? So 980, add the 220, comes to £12. So it's not that pair there, so I'm just going to put a cross through those ones there. So what else could it have been? It could have been the 440, and then I'm looking for one to end with a 60 there. Any others? Is clearly not the 1260. So then 440, add the 560, comes to £1 there, and £9 comes to £10. So it's not those two there either. So then 660, and I'm looking for one to end with a 40 there. I think that's going to go over, and it's 6 and 8. No, that goes up to 14 already, so it can't be that. 880, and then one with a 20, 420. So 880 and the 420. That's 12, and the pound comes to £13 there. So it was 4 pence from Agatha, and which one was it? The 420 there, and then 3 pence from Bryn. So the question was, how many pence did they buy altogether? So that's 4 and 3, which equals 7 pence altogether.